Miss Larson here and her niece Alina. We are here to show you how to play the subtraction math game called Finding Twos. You're going to need a deck of cards for this, and then you're going to take out your queens and your kings. Then you're going to deal 5 cards to each player. Now, instead of trying to find matches in this game, you are trying to find 2. So you're going to take your card and you're going to try and figure out what you need to subtract it to make 2. So in Miss Larson's hand, this is my hand. So I'm going to take my 4 and I'm going to ask my partner, do you have a 2?
Yes.
So then I'm going to take my 4 minus 2, and that equals 2. So that is Miss Larson's first match. Now it's Alina's turn, and she is going to take her 5, and she is going to ask me for the number that's going to make the difference 2. So she's going to say, do you have a 3?
Do you have a 3?
Do I have a 3? I have a 3. So now she has 5 minus 3, and that equals 2. So that's another match. Okay? All right. Then you're going to play until all of the cards are gone. Enjoy!